What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at SUPCASE's UB Pro cases for the brand new Galaxy S23 Plus. Now if you guys want to pick these up yourself, I will be putting a link in the description, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products and reviews for you guys. Now if you want the most protection for your brand new phone, the UB Pro is definitely the way to go. So let's check them out. So here we have the SUPCASE UB Pro case in Camo Glitch. This is a really cool pattern, and I believe it's brand new for this year's Plus version of the Galaxy. It does come with this really nice belt clip as well. You can rotate this piece 360 degrees. And then here is the case itself. It's got a nice kickstand built into the back. Now before we can put our phone in here, we need to take out the inner liner because this is a two-piece design. The inner liner comes out, you put it over your phone, and then you put the whole thing back into the outer portion of the case. So to get the inner liner out, all you need to do is push out this little corner here and then peel up on the inner liner just like that. Then just put this over the top of your phone, press it into place. Then once you do that, we're going to take this whole piece and we're going to put it back in to the outer portion of the case. And there you go. Feels really nice in the hand. It's nice and grippy. Buttons easily accessible and clicky. Very nice. If we look at the side here, as you can see, it does add some bulk to the phone, but it does have a lot of good protection. It has a raised edge all the way around the front of the phone for your screen protection. It's got some nice serrations on the side for grip. On the other side, again, we have the same serrations, but we have our power button and our volume buttons. On the bottom, we have our covered charging port and our speaker. On the back here, got that really cool camo glitch look, and it's got a built-in kickstand so you can watch some Netflix or take a Zoom call or just have your phone facing you on your desk. And it easily goes back into place with a nice little click. We also have a nice recession for our camera lenses as well. And we have these little bumps all the way around on the back of the phone for when you put your phone on its back. It won't touch the back to scratch it up. And it's got that carbon fiber look at the top here. Very nice protective case. And if you're wondering about wireless charging, you can wireless charge right through the case. And if you happen to have your own screen protector like I do here, you can simply just place it on top of your phone and use your own screen protector. So now you're covered 360 degrees, back, sides, and front. I have a little piece of lint stuck in the corner. That's not the case lifting up the screen protector, just in case you're wondering. Very nice case. So if you want the best protection that SUPCASE has to offer, the UB Pro is definitely the way to go. I would recommend it, and I would definitely give it a thumbs up. The case also comes in this red ruddy color. It's kind of like a metallic look. And another really cool color that they came out this year is the FDE. Very cool looking case. I love how everything's contrasted and not just the same color. Looks really cool. And the red also has the nice red inlay as well. So that is the UB Pro case for the brand new Galaxy S23 Plus. Again, if you guys want to pick these cases up yourself, I will be putting a link in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to review to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.